Today I'm going to talk about the law of attraction and how people kind of misuse it or don't use it correctly. So the law of attraction is the theory that if you think positively, you get positive results. If you think negatively, you get negative results. So there's a saying, if you think you can, and if you think you can't, you're right. Okay, in other words, whatever you think, that is the right outcome. Now, when I first learnt or came across law of attraction, it was taught to me as if you say something, you're effectively, whatever comes out of your mouth, the universe listens to it. So if you say, I want a new car in 12 months, you've put it out there into the universe will listen. Now, that's not the way it works. The way the law of attraction ideally works is you spend time, say on a morning when you wake up, really thinking about what you want. So it could be, your goal might be to win Wimbledon, become world #1 tennis player. So you will spend time every morning thinking about winning Wimbledon. And the effectiveness is you spend time really feeling what that feels like, how you're visualize how you're actually hitting those balls back to the opponent, and how good it feels when that last ball has been tossed over and you're the winner and you fall on your knees, and you really soak in and visualize what that would feel like. And the reason you do that is because you're training yourself to get used to the idea of being that winner, and also lifting that vibration, so that if you can feel what it feels like to win Wimbledon in this case, you're more likely to actually take action towards becoming the world's #1. So law of attraction is not about visualizing the desired outcome and then taking no action, and that's where a lot of people fall over. They think that, like I was taught, if you say something and put it out there in the universe, that the universe is just going to deliver. But that's not how it works. You've actually got to take the action. You can't be thinking about getting top marks in a maths exam and thinking that's all you need to do to get top marks in a maths exam. You've actually got to put the effort in. But what you can do is use law of attraction to visualize yourself putting yourself in the exam, all the answers coming to you, you're doing really well, and really feeling what that feels like to come out that exam ecstatic, knowing that you've done well. So I'm going to end on a story just to solidify all this. Joe went to church every week, and every week he said, Lord, please let me win the lottery. And he kept praying week in, week out, and years went past, and said, Lord, it's me, Joe again, please let me win the lottery. Eventually the church trembled, and this loud booming voice came down and went, Joe, please meet me halfway and at least buy a ticket. And the moral behind that is, you can't just sit back and do nothing. If, okay, your intention is good, your intention's halfway there, you've actually got to take some action to get what you want. If law of attraction has worked for you, I'd love to know how it's worked for you, and if you leave a comment. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel, then I know people are watching. Thank you very much. I'm Stephen Bissett from Zen Hypnotherapy.